In this video, we are going to discuss about the integration by partial fraction. So our problem for today is the integral of 8x minus 42 over x squared plus 3x minus 18 dx. So before we solve that one, I would like to introduce the linear function and the linear quadratic function that connected for our topic today. So I have here the example of linear function. We have x plus 1, and we have also the repeated linear function, x plus 1 to the power of 2, x plus 1 to the power of 3. So as you look at the exponent of linear function is only 1 here. So for linear quadratic function, I have here x squared plus 1, and we have also a repeated quadratic function. So we have here x squared plus 1 to the power of 2 and x squared plus 1 to the power of 3. So this is repeated linear quadratic function. So and also this is also a x cubed plus 1 quadratic linear function or linear quadratic function. So always remember that if we have a linear quadratic function, for example this one, x squared minus 1, if we have this one in our denominator, we are going to decompose, we are going to factor this one. So this will become x times x, because this first term becomes x times x, so x squared. So for this one, so x plus 1 times x minus 1. So this will be the factor or the equivalent of x squared minus 1. So it's equals to x squared minus 1. So these are equal. So and now we are going to discuss about on how to decompose the partial function. I have here tips on how to decompose. If we have ax over x plus a times bx plus a is equals to a over x plus a plus b over bx plus a. This e and b variable here represent as any constant number. So this is a linear function. For the second one, we have here a over x minus a to the power of k. This k here represent as any constant number attached to this function. So these are linear function is equals to a over x minus a plus b over x minus a to the power of 2 up to c over x minus a to the power of k. And we have also here ex minus b over x minus e times the x squared plus b, and we have here the quadratic function. So this will be equal to a over x minus e plus bx plus c over x squared plus b, because this is a quadratic function. So we have an idea already on how to decompose the partial fraction. So let's move to the problem. So the integral of 8x minus 42 over x squared plus 3x minus 18. So this is our problem. So the first thing to do, don't focus on the integral sign. We focus only the integrand, the x, which is x 8x minus 42 over x squared plus 3x minus 18. So, as you can see, in the denominator, we have a quadratic linear function. So, as what I said earlier, if we have a quadratic function, we are going to simplify that one to becomes a linear function. So, what will happen if we have x squared plus 3x minus 18. So, as you can see in the first term, this will be derived from x times x. So, what number that if we multiply, we get negative 18? This one. So, that is 6 negative, 6 times negative 3. Why? Because if we multiply this one, this will become negative 18, and if we add this one, this will become 3x. So, we put here plus 6 and minus 3. So, these are, in the right side is equivalent of x squared plus 3x minus 18. So, therefore, we are going to simplify this one. So, this will be equals to a over, what is our equivalent of this one? This will be, we put x plus 6 at the denominator of a. So, x plus 6 dx. So, don't forget to put dx here. So, plus the integral of b over x minus 3 dx. And now, there are many techniques on how to get the integration of this one, or the integral of this one. So, for me, I am prepared to simplify first the integral of e over x plus 6 dx plus the integral of b over x minus 3 dx. I am going to simplify that a here, replace out of the integral sign. So, this will become a, the integral of the remaining inside is 1 over x plus 6 dx, plus the same thing to b, we are going to replace out of the integral. So, this will become b times 1 over x minus 3 dx. And now, it is easy to integrate the inside function, because if we have an 1 over x, so what is the integral of 1 over x dx? This will be ln x. This ln represent as logarithmic number. So, we have here x in the denominator. So, we put this one. This is what we call ln with the absolute value of x. So, therefore, the integral of 1 over x plus 6, this will become ln with the absolute value of x plus 6. So, we put, we copy a here, plus the same thing for 1 over x minus 3. This will become ln with the absolute value of x minus 3. So don't forget to put plus c here. So this will be our partial answer because we don't have already, sorry, we put this, we copy the b here. So this is our partial answer because we don't have already the value of e and b variable. So what's we are going to do? We are going to find the value of e and b. As what I know, there are two techniques on how to find the value of e and b. But for me, I am prepared for these techniques. I will show you on how to find the value of a and b. And first, we are going to find the a first. So for the process, we copy this integrand because we are going to simplify this one. We copy here. So 8x minus 42 over x squared plus 3x minus 18. So we don't need to put here the integral sign because we are going to simplify in order to get the value of e and b variable. So this will be equal to, we copy here, so e over x plus 6 plus b over x minus 3. So now, we already know that the factor of this x squared plus 3x minus 18 is equals to x plus 6 times x minus 3. So, we put here in the numerator 8x minus 42 is equals to a over x plus 6 plus b over x minus 3. And now, we are going to find the value of a. So, for me, I have the techniques that different from the other techniques. So, what number of x that if we multiply, we can get the number of 0. For in order to eliminate this part b, so the value of our x for now, is 3. Because if we substitute here the 3, so this will become 3 minus 3 and becomes 0. So before we going to substitute the 3, we are going to simplify this one in order to eliminate the denominator. So we're going to multiply what is the value of the denominator, we copy here. So x plus 6 times x minus 3. And for the right side, we have here x plus 6, x minus 3. In order to equate and to distribute this one, and in order to out this value in the denominator. So if we distribute x plus 6 times x minus 3, this will become 8x minus 42. This will be cancelled. So the remaining value is 8x minus 42. At the right side is, if we distribute this one, from a over x plus 6, this will become a times x minus 3, because this will be cancelled and cancelled. The remaining value is x minus 3. So plus b. So for b as b, if we distributed this x plus x times x minus 3 is equal to x plus 6, because this will be cancelled and the remaining value is x plus 6. And now we can apply to this one to substitute the value of x as 3 in order to eliminate this part b and to get the value of a. So sorry for that one. So this is wrong. So our value for now our x is equal to 6, negative 6. In order to eliminate this part and to get the value of a, so this will be, and we substitute the number of x to negative 6, so this will become a times the number of x, the value of x is negative 6 minus 3 plus b, rx as negative 6 plus 6. So what will happen for this part? So if we add this one, negative 6 plus 6, this will be 0. And 0 times b is equals to 0. So we can eliminate this one. So the remaining value is a negative 6 minus 3. This will be equal to negative 9. At the left side is we have 8, and the value of x for now is negative 6 minus 42. So if we multiply 8 times negative 6, this will become negative 48 minus 42. What is the next process? So in order to, we need to eliminate the negative 9 at the right side in order to get the value of a. So we are going to divide both sides negative 9. So negative 9. So negative 48 minus 42, this will become 90. So this will become we simplify this first. So negative 48 minus 42, this will become negative 90 over 9. So negative 9. So we copy this one, a times negative 9. So we divide both sides negative 9. So sorry for this one, because we don't simplify this already. So this will be the simplification from this value. So we can cancel this one, because negative 9 divide negative 9 is equals to 1, and a plus 1, this will become a. So cancel. So negative divide negative, this will be positive, and 90 divide 9 is equals to 10. So our value of a is positive 10. So now we are going to find the value of our b. For our b, it's just the same process for finding the value of a. So we put 8x minus 42, we equate a a times x minus 3 plus b times x plus 6. We copy this one, no? We copy for this one for finding the value of b. So we have here 8x minus 42 is equals to e times x minus 3 plus b times x plus 6. So for now, what is our x value? We are going to find the value of x in order to eliminate this part and to get the value of our b. So our x for now is x is equals to positive 3. Why? Because if we substitute here at 3, so let's try. So e times 3 minus 3 plus b. What is our x? For now is 3 plus 6. So our x is 3. So if we add this one, or if we subtract this one, this will become 0. So 0 times e is 0. So we can eliminate this one. And the remaining value is b times 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. At the left side, we have 8x minus 42 and the value of our x for now is 8 times 3 because the value of x is 3 minus 42. So 8 times 3 is 24 minus 42. At the right side is b and 9. We can simplify this one into 24 minus 42. This will become negative 18. So b times 9. At this moment, we are going to eliminate this 9 by dividing both sides positive 9. So we can eliminate 9 because 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times b is b. So can eliminate this one. The remaining value at the right side is b, and negative 18 times of negative 18 divide 9 is equals to negative 2. So therefore, the value of our b is negative 2. And we back to the problem. We have here the partial answer of this problem. So we are going to substitute what is the value of our a and what is the value of our b. And we have already the value of a and b. So we can substitute here. So our a is how much? Is equals to 10. So we substitute here 10. Copy this one. So len with the absolute value of x plus 6 plus b. Our b is how much? Is negative 2. So we substitute negative 2 here. So copy the len with the absolute value x minus 3 plus c. This is not already the final answer because we can simplify this one. Positive times negative, this will be negative. So our final answer is is positive 10 ln x with the absolute value of x plus 6 plus, this will be positive times negative, this will be negative 2 copy ln with the absolute value of x minus 3, and don't forget to put plus c here. So this will be our final answer. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe of Pilan CFD 57 channel. So thanks